let's talk about the Oura ring. So I'm going to tell you my experience, a little bit unboxing, and everything that you have to know in order to buy something like that. I will not recommend you to buy this. There are better options, but I'll show you first of all what you're going to find when you buy this. So I don't like a subscription. I don't know, maybe this company, they belong to the World Economic Forum. I don't know if you have heard about this. You know, you will own nothing and you will be happy. So basically, you're going to get this product. This is what I bought. As you can see, I bought it just a couple of weeks ago. So you're going to you're going to spend the last $300. So basically, you're going to get this. You have to know the size. You have the different colors. I don't care much about the colors, just about the functionality. And the problem that you're going to get, the first one is subscription. Because here, when you click or you buy, here it says buy. It doesn't say rent. So if you are buying this, I don't want to buy something and then rent it, because if you don't pay, for instance, the $6 a month or something like that, you're not going to be able to use it. Even I sent them an email saying, hey, I don't want to buy a subscription or anything like that. And they told me, yeah, you can use it without the subscription. They never told me how to. And also, as soon as you got it and you have to download the software on your phone, you know, it will tell you, okay, you paid or you cannot keep going. You cannot move next, nothing like that. So basically, you have another ring. It's called the Ultra Human Ring Air. And it costs a little bit more, as you can see, almost $350. But there is no subscription. So I thought, okay, maybe this will be a better idea. Otherwise, I was thinking maybe, because I mean, the bad thing about these type of rings is they are disposable, you know, there is no way that you can replace the battery or anything like that. So I went to Temu. Usually they have like pretty good service. You know, you have a generic product, but at least, you know, you can get a smart ring for $15. Here you have 17, 16, 22. I don't know if they are any good, but you know, they cost way less than the other ones, and you don't have any subscriptions as far as I can tell. So basically, those are the options. So now I'm going to show you this a little bit closely, so the way you can see the process if you decide to buy something like that or buy something else. So basically, you have to process. One, you have to buy this. This is the generation 3. So if you want to buy the generation 2, as far as I can tell, you don't have any subscription or anything like that. So you can buy it, use it, but the problem, it might not be, you know, as advanced as the generation 3. I don't know exactly the differences, but I heard about another girl that she was saying that generation 2 you don't have to pay a subscription. So that will be if you want to buy this brand, I think generation 2 will be the best option. So here you have different sizes. So my size for this, you have to use this finger in order to have the measurements. I mean, to have the readings. Also the sensor will have to go here on this area that you see here. And if you want, you can use the other ones. Maybe you can use on your pinky, but it will not be ideal. So they say, okay, don't use any other finger than this. That will be ideal. If you want to use another, I mean, I don't know. You can do the testing. I've been using it like this, and it works. So basically, you get this, and after this, once you get this, it costs like $10. You're going to have to get the real product. So here I have a size 13, and again, I'm going to return it because again, I don't want to pay subscriptions or anything like that. So I'll show you also in the software. The software is very easy to use. So basically, it has like a small flat shape here. I think it should be more pronounced. So basically, here you have the sensors. You put it like that, and that's it. So here you have the charger. So the charger basically, you connect the USB-C. That is a good thing that they have the USB-C, and that's it. So as you can see, you have the lights. Hopefully you can see the lights. Sometimes they will turn on and sometimes they will turn off. So basically you have that, and and you charge it, and in a few hours, I mean, if you leave it overnight, it should be fully charged. The other, the superhuman ring or something like that, I hear other people say, okay, it's going to take a little bit longer to charge it. This, in theory, I think is 3 hours, 2 hours. I don't care. I have to leave it all night in order to use it. So here you have the cable. I never use it because I had to use it because I have, USB-C already everywhere, and I have an iPhone 15, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you the app, so that way you can see how it works. So basically, I'm going to type this, oura, there we go. You download the app. Again, I don't like subscriptions, and then all you have to do, here, if you have a few options, I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it a little bit better. And there you have the sleep. So because I wasn't using it for a few days, because I'm going to return it, you can swap here, you see, and then it will tell you if you sleep well or not. So I think here is better. There you go. In the main, if you go to home, if you go here, you can see, you see readiness, sleep, and I don't know if you sleep, normal day, steps, activity, calories burned, and that's it. So basically, that is the main things that you have here. So as you can see, is at least is easier to use this way. If you go through the menus, you will have different things. You see, when I was using it, here it says the heart activity. I couldn't find a way where you can see, all the measurements of your body in real time. It seems like you have to wait. Also, there are some people complaining that if you don't have this phone, it will not pair, and it will not save everything on your ring. So basically, you have to have your cell phone on with the Bluetooth and everything activated, otherwise it will not sync, it will not work. So it will be nice if you can have it, the ring to save to store everything, and you can maybe synchronize it once a day or once a week or whatever. But this is the way it is. So as you can see here, recovery index, fair, everything else was optimal and good, and that's it. So I hear about another YouTuber. He was saying that with the ring, he was able to find out that he was sick even before he was getting sick, because the ring said, hey, your body temperature is increasing, so you may start getting fever, before he realized that he had a fever. So I think that is a good thing. But again, if you don't want to go through that, the subscription, we should be able to own things. So that is why I use Mac. For instance, I have Final Cut. I paid $300 for the product, or $299, and that's it. So you can use it as much as you want. Instead, you have Adobe, the other company, they have the Adobe Premiere, and the same thing, or Photoshop. If you don't pay a subscription, you cannot use their software. So I say, I forget it. I don't want to participate in all those things. Other than that, I think it's an average product. Sometimes you have too many things here. Also, if you want, you can add the food that you were eating. I don't know. I don't want to stay on the phone, hours and hours adding things. So I think with the basic features, it should be good. If you want to add, what you eat, the calories and everything, maybe it will be better. For a regular guy like me that wants just the basic, I think that should be plenty enough. Other than that, again, to me, it looks like a disposable product that you don't have. You're going to keep paying for something that you don't own, because if this company, they goes under, you're not going to be able to use the product anymore. Like, there are many companies, like they went out of business, and then later you cannot use the product anymore, and that is a big problem. Other than that, if you want to buy it and you're okay with that, just buy it. Otherwise, you have another options, the Temu $15, or you can go the superhuman thing. let me show you. Anyway, I can leave you in the video description if you want to buy that, and that's it. See, yes, ultra human, I think is, yes, ultra human. This is the website. If you want, I can try to leave you in the video descriptions if you want to buy something like that. I am in US. If you want me to ship you something, I can do that. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.